What's up, everybody? Mike. We are on our way over to Sedep Automotive. Gonna give the old Mini Minivan here a little bit of love. First off, I just want to point out that this dude backed into his spot. Shout out to him. And also taking Casey and Jen some donuts. Special one for Jen. And another dozen because I'm good like that. Yeah, it's about long and short of it. So we will see you when we get to the shop and see all of our friends and the puppy. Hi. What up? Prima. Jen.
Hey Mike, how are you?
Doing alright. Hey Prima.
You can just set that stuff right there if you'd like.
Radio. No problem. Doing alright. That's for you.
This is for me.
Casey said get you a special one, so I got you a special one.
Hey,
Prima.
Thank
Yep.
you.
You're welcome.
That's awesome. How are you this morning?
Oh, we're doing alright. We're doing good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, sorry.
It's alright. Yeah. Mwah. Puppy.
Thank you for the special donut.
No
It's
problem.
perfect.
You're welcome. What's up, bud?
Not much, dude. Just hang out with you.
Yeah, buddy.
Good to see you, dude.
Good seeing you too.
How are you?
Oh, we're doing.
You want me to do? You want to get all 4 tires up off the ground then? More than the oil change?
I mean,
It's not a big deal.
yeah, I mean, if it's not a big deal, yeah. I've got,
No, I've got that sweet little portable setup.
hell yeah.
Give us a lot of inches.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go outside and I'll pop that door open and just pull it in square right here and
Bring her on in. Yeah,
use
dude.
this spot.
Radio.
Okay, very good.
Yep. But, yo.
Maserati, baby.
Dude, it's so choice. So choice. Prima, are you gonna help me bring the van in? Alright, this is it. This is Sedep. We're here in the workshop, well, where the magic's gonna be happening. Here's my dirty, leaky van. Got a CRV. Got this little guy. I feel like this is going to be going in that. Yeah. Hey, it's okay. Prima. She said, it's okay. Here, it's okay. Every good shop needs a shop dog, and Prima is the best.
The housing that the thermostat actually bolts to. 2002 Honda.
Yeah.
Bolts on the back.
Cool.
Dog is proving a tremendous distraction to content creation.
Businesses are open Saturday night.
No, you won't get my donut.
It isn't open on Saturday at all.
Look at this nasty mess I'm dealing with on the CRV. Like, it is so disgusting. And then someone took it apart, put it back together. This is all blown out. There's just gray RTV all over the car. And I don't know where the O-ring went, but yeah, it's just, and some shop told me needed a head gasket, but
No.
I go look at it and I'm like, oh yeah, it seems like your thermostat. Yep, sure enough.
Thermostat problems.
You want to peek the camera underneath?
Yeah.
Look at your problems.
Okay, see, I already see a lot of my problems when I wake up in the morning. Take that first look in the mirror.
So do I. A brush changes a lot.
Oh, yeah.
I know that there's a good chance that maybe the oil will mix with my coolant, but...
Listen. I lived the Subaru life. I'm good with it. Like,
You know that you're in a better place right now.
I went from a Subaru to a Volkswagen. I hate myself, and I hate my cars. So, here we are, dude. Good. I just do the terrible car owner thing and just, like, shake the bottle.
Yeah,
make sure there's fluid in there.
It sucked to do a radiator in this thing. I thought the CRV was bad.
Oh, dude. Even changing the headlight bulbs in this thing is such a pain in the ass.
Maybe, yeah, it drops out the bottom.
Dude.
Bottom.
Yeah, like, yeah, this car is definitely a I'm willing to pay to make this somebody else's problem thing.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, that doesn't sound... What?
It's just loose on the top. Oh my gosh.
Oh, good.
Okay, there's a wrench. I'm gonna tighten it down for you.
Cool.
That is interesting. Might just be the hardware, dude.
Dude.
You might have gotten sabotaged.
Ah!
In the little wrench set, can you hand me the 15 and the 16? The next ones after the missing one?
There's a 15 and a 17.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay.
It's so funny, they sell wrench sets missing a certain wrench.
Oh, dude, it's
Harbor Freight likes to do it all the time.
Harbor Freight, O'Reilly.
Oh, guess what?
What?
It is a 16, I think. Must be one of them Yamaha engines.
I mean, listen, there's an awful lot of FOMOCO stamped on this thing.
Oh, dude, yeah. It's totally just a bolt on the top.
Good.
Oh, yeah. I think that oil leak is going to be gone.
Yay!
Here, we'll get the studio lighting.
Oh, gotta get the studio lighting for a fun surprise. And now, for the most delicate extraction.
You know, you don't want to damage too much of the carcass of what's left.
No.
Oh, we got a leaker.
Oh no.
It was just a little shorter.
Son of a... Always something. That one a couple weeks ago. This one now. People ask me why I don't, like, build anything for the track. Because this just happens to be as I'm driving around. God only knows what's going to happen when I invest time and money.
You'll get a smile on your face.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely going to have to put a warning on this because of that. That was a little too much. A little too graphic.
I think I ruined this one. Fresh cement.
Oh boy.
It's really gonna work this time. Just kidding.
Nothing but the freshest.
This is the first attempt.
Well, we got 4 hours and 48 minutes left on the card, so.
Yeah, what's funny is these things they always work. Mm-hmm. For me anyways. Maybe it's just me.
Nope. You got the touch.
I had 2 of them piled up once on my truck once.
Nice.
Never came out.
Really?
And they were like further over on the shoulder too than what you got going on here. Yeah, and this is right. You go to the auto store or the tire shop to get it patched on the inside. They're going to tell you no because it's on the edge. So we have to do this either way because the tire shop's going to try to sell you a new tire to patch this internally. Well, and then you just take your time. Oh yeah, there we go. Good half and half. There we go. Set up, then we'll clip it.
Nice.
Want to get some
Gotta. Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
Write it. You want me to write it 4,000, 5,000, 3,000?
Do 4. Call it good. I thought you were just gonna stick put a sticky note in there.
No, I got a halfway decent method.
Nice.
Go 145 even.
All right.
Giving you a 200-mile buffer that you don't even know about.
Except now that I'm recording this.
I know. When you remember it.
Hi, Jen. Most important part's done. Stickers on.
Stickers on.
Yep. Well, the Sedep sticker's not on because I haven't washed this thing, and I'm not putting a clean sticker on a dirty car.
I can assist you with that. I've got window cleaner.
Well, hell yeah. Oh, I've got it too, so I just need to stop being lazy.
Feel like you're lonely, all you gotta do is go see your Snap-on guy and talk about your account. Feels like I'm setting you up to go out on the track, dude. You ready to run laps?
I mean, yeah? Listen, it's not like I haven't looked at coilovers for this thing.
That's the correct answer. Our little plug's holding. I'm gonna grab some soapy water.
See what we got. Alright, while you check in on that, I'm gonna go see how Jen is enjoying her donut.
Sounds good.
Aw.
Oh,
Hey, how's the donut?
disappearing.
Quickly.
Oh, yeah.
Doing some work
Give me
on
5
that.
more minutes.
Alright, I'll come back. Oh, Prima.
Good. That's it was so funny back in the day at the bike shop.
Yeah?
Mike would always get asked by the customers if there was a guarantee on his tune-ups, and he said, "Yeah, it's guaranteed to work until you take that bike out that front door." More.
Needs a little bit more?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Get some more sweet pouring footage. Ooh, yeah. That's the shot right there.
So.